is scratch this. What is going on, guys? This is BMX Pain, and let's get right into this video.
Just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden.
So in today's video, I'm gonna do a bike check video, like I said I was gonna do in the welcome to my channel video. But alright, so I'm just gonna get started with this video. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. So before I get started on the bike, these are the set of tires that I had on it before. My second set of tires, and this is the first tires that came on the bike. But alright, let's get into the bike. So on the bike we have the Merit tires, Bill Perry Merit tires, I know, or whatever they are. But yeah, and then we got some 25 9 pegs, 2 different colors. Complete rim set, the front, and I have the back. Merit P1 pedals, Mafia cranks, Mafia frame, Mafia forks, Rant headset and headset thing. Yeah, you already know those. The Kink BMX stem, the S&M Foo bars, Bill Perry Merit grips. I don't even know what brand this is, but a seat post and a Sabrosa seat. And yeah, the pack. You already know the packs right here. Oh yeah, we got an S&M sprocket right there. That's really it about the bike for real. I got the bike last Christmas, and I'll put on the screen, like right around here, the bike that I'm getting soon. You know, my Vans boxes, you know, got the white Vans right there, and the red Vans right there. Also put on the screen all the stuff that I've had on the bike right there, and then over here will be what it added up to when I added it. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera back around. I know this is gonna be a quick video, but it was just a quick bike check video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, guys, I'll see you sometime again.